officially opened my stock market Discord, and basically what it is basically like a private group chat where I just signal what stock trades I'm entering and when I'm exiting, so that if you, the buyer of the private Discord, wants to copy what I'm doing, and if I make money, basically you make money, because all the trades that I go into, I do them myself. So if I were to go into a Royal Caribbean long-term 125 call, and you decide to copy me, and if I make $200 on it, you make $200 on it as well. But keep in mind that this is all your responsibility. It is your financial decision if you want to make it. It is your personal decision if you want to make it, if you want to make the trade. By no means am I influencing you on what you have to do, or am I telling you what to buy. I never tell anybody what to buy. It is your sole decision if you want to copy what I'm doing. And the reason why I made this private Discord is because I've been having a little mini test group with around 5 people, and about pretty much everybody made over $300 in about like 2-3 days. So it was a pretty good turnout, and now I decided that I want to start charging for it, just because I feel really confident with what I can do. Me personally, I was able to turn $2,000 into $32,000 within 2 months. And that was basically just me going all in at the stock market, you know, researching all the companies and all that stuff. And that leads me to another point, being that you must know how to trade options when it comes down to the stock market. If you don't really know how, then I suggest doing some research on YouTube or Google. Also, I also offer like one-on-one teaching where it's just you and me, and I just teach you how, like, what options are. It's on the website. You should go to 10xsignals.com, and that's basically where you have a one-on-one video call with me, and I basically just explain what options are, what are some good ideas, strategies, stuff like that, you know. By no means am I like a financial advisor. I don't do any of that. This is just like a tutoring session where I just teach you like what the stock market is and like what options are. It's like you can ask me any questions you have. It's not like really investment advice. It's just like what's like the vocabulary and stuff like that. And yeah, we can get a little bit technical, but that's just like on the call, you and I, so we both know like what to do and stuff like that. Like I said, I just want to make it very clear that I don't offer any financial advice. I am not a financial consultant or advisor. I don't claim to be. I just want to make sure that people know what they're doing beforehand and before entering a trade. So that is why I offer like a little teaching session before getting into something. So it's basically like me telling you or teaching you about real estate, for example, something like that, you know? So if you want to know about the stock market, let me teach you about the stock market and what options are, you know, and all that type of stuff. Yes, you can do your own research on YouTube and Google, but if you want to like talk to somebody who's been there and done that and actually has verified results, then, you know, like, I'm probably the person you want to be talking to. And I offer all that in 10xsignals.com. And if you guys already know how to trade options and you're just looking for a group chat or private Discord where you kind of can see what other people are trading, then this is where you gotta be. You just gotta get 10xsignals.com, get the Discord. It's only $35 a month. People are charging like $200, and I get it. Those are like the real Wall Street people that actually like really know their shit. And I'm not saying I don't either, but I really want to start this off at an affordable price because I know not everybody can like pay $200 a month. So I want to make sure that everybody has the chance to really understand what they're doing, a little bit of step-ins, you know. And I also want to make sure and make it very clear that most of my trades are valued anywhere from $500 to $1,000. If you don't have $500, $600, then personally I wouldn't join the Discord just yet, because you're not going to make much money from it, because I don't really enter those small trades. But the reason why, well, you'll figure it out later on when you're in the Discord. But yeah, guys, I just want you to understand one more thing, that it is very possible to blow your entire account, and it is possible that you can lose money, but never more than you invested. And that's just any investment in general. So always be considerate of that, and be careful with everything you do, because I've been there. I've lost over $18,000, and it sucks. But you always learn from it, and if you can't, eventually you're gonna lose money. But you gotta be like looking more at it with a more of a learning perspective, saying, okay, I fucked up on this, but now I know not to do that and to do this instead. And that's basically, if you want to be successful in the stock market, you have to look at it like that. Because trust me, 18,000, it hurts. So I mean, I've learned from it, and I've bounced back, and I've made more money on it. So I mean, that's basically how you gotta look at things like that. So like I said, guys, don't enter the Discord if you don't have anywhere from like $500 to $1,000. It's preferable to have $1,000 straight up. And keep in mind and keep in consideration everything I talked about when it comes down to the risk involved, and that I'm not responsible for anything that happens. It's all your personal decision. If you want to copy me, go for it. That's why I say make sure to do your own research on the calls, on the plays, and then if you think, okay, this could actually work, then if you want to copy me, then that's your personal decision. And if I make money, you'll be making money as well. Like I said, if I lose money on a trade and you copied that trade, you're going to be losing money as well, because it matches. So guys, without further ado, I don't really have much else to say. Thank you so much for watching. If you made it up all the way up to here, if you guys want to join the Discord, if you guys want to get more information on it, feel free to click the link down below. And if you guys want to get that teaching session, that mentorship call, which is very recommended for any beginner out there that wants to kind of get started, then for sure go for it. And if you guys already know what you're doing, then just join the Discord if you feel like it. I don't want to push it out there. Just like if you think that you need a little bit more help and push, then the Discord might be able to like assist you on that. So that's it for right now, guys. I hope that this kind of made sense a little bit. And if you guys, like I said, if you don't know what to trade or what options are, please make sure you understand and do your fucking research. That's all I'm saying. Like, just do your research, please. Because if you don't do your research, you will lose money. I can guarantee you that. So make sure you do your research. And that is pretty much it, guys. So I hope you guys make the decisions. And if you guys are interested in the stock market Discord or any mentorship or any tutoring, just link down below, and that'll be pretty much it. Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you later.